guys, this is going to be an unboxing video of the Insignia 5 megapixel high definition camcorder. It sells for $100 on sale at Best Buy right now. So I'm going to switch this to my other camera so I can unbox this right now. Hey you guys, I'm back. So I'm going to be unboxing just this right now. I made a little hole so it'll be easier to unbox it. See if I could open this. This is what I'm going to be doing for my videos from now on. It's pretty tight on there, as you can see. Let's see if I could do it this way. This is on there pretty tight, you guys, I have to admit. Almost done. I'm not a very big fan of this plastic stuff. I'm more a fan of the boxes, cardboard boxes, because this is crazy. I mean, we're already down to a minute. Something, 2 minutes. Alright, let me open this up. Wow, you guys, look at this. Wow. Well, I'm going to put this to the side right now, and I'm going to open up the rest of the box to see what it comes with. Okay, it looks like it comes with a mini USB data cable, carrying pouch. It looks like microfiber, feels like it kinda, but it's something else. Comes with the mini USB charger for the camera, the battery of course, and high definition import for the TV, the software of course, and the hand strap, and the instruction manual obviously. So I'm going to test this out real quick, then I'm going to make another video about this, so I'll see you later, alright? Hey you guys, I'm back with the review of the Insignia camcorder. It's actually really nice. I took a few pictures. You could open it like this and then go like this, and it looks like that, and then do like that. It's actually really nice, and you could go like that. It's like 360 view. I don't know. It is really nice. Let me show you some of the pictures I got real fast. If I could get them. That's voice, that's music, that's pictures. I got that one, and that one. Okay, that's about it so far. I didn't have a chance to record any video. It does come with a 64 megabyte internal hard flash drive, and let me put in a little card, because I found that you could put the card in right there. Let's see if I could. Oh wow, this is kind of hard. I'm not sure if I like that, how hard it is. There we go. Put this back on. It is a 3.7 volts for the battery, so that's pretty good. And that's pretty much the review of this. It does come with a flash. Let me see if I could do it real fast. Hope I don't like blind my camera. Light. There we go. It is pretty bright though. Shine on my eyes. Well, that's pretty much it for now, alright? I'll see you guys later.